students, welcome to Caliber Convent School e-digital learning channel. In today's video we will study your last chapter of maths 1 portion, last chapter of your maths 1 portion, that is statistic. Okay students, so now in statistic what you all have to do in this question, you have to solve four things. First, direct method is there. Next, assuming method is there. Next, step deviation method is there. These three is your sums. Okay, then the remaining exercise, your graph is there. Okay, so graph we will do afterwards. First let us study this direct method. Okay, now student, what you all have to do, you all have to solve your sum in direct method, step deviation method and assuming method. Okay, this is your question. Okay students, now what is your question here? Time is given to you and number of student is given to you. Time is 0 to 2, 2 to 4. This is your class. Okay, this is nothing but this is your class. And nextly, number of student is given to you, and in question it has written that solve the sum in direct method. So always remember student, in direct method you have to make 4 columns. Okay, how many columns you will going to make? You will going to make 4 columns. Number first column is your class, number second column is your xi, third column is your fi, and then fourth column is your xi fi. Now I will tell you what is this. Okay, class means this you will write 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, this you will write in class. Now xi means the middle of class. Middle of class means, see, 0 to 2 middle is 1, 2 to 4 middle is 3, 4 to 6 middle is 5. Okay student, then fi means number which is given in question. This number of student, number of families, whatever it is given, you will write in fi. Okay, this xi stands for student class marks. Okay, that you will write the middle of the question or the middle of the class. Okay, so xi you had written the middle one, fi again you had written the question. Always remember, first and third box is your question, second box is your middle one. Now xi fi means you will multiply this both. 1 into 7 is equal to 7, 3 into 18 right here, total here, add all this, then you have to find out mean bar, then you have to divide this both answer. Formula is xi fi divided by fi. Okay, then you will got your answer. This is the direct method student that we had solved right now. Okay, now we will study what is assume mean method. Assume mean method is also called as shift origin method. Now in shift origin method, how many columns you will going to make? 5 columns you will going to make. Okay, one column is add here, that is di. Now what is di students? Di stand for deviation. What is this? Deviation. Now in this same question only I will show you that how to solve in assume mean method. Okay, class you had written as it is, xi middle you had written as it is. Then what you have to do, the middle one, count here same number, count here same number. The middle one you will write as a. This a stand for assumed. Okay student, what is this a stands for? A stands for assumed. Then what you will do in di, you have to minus it. Okay, 5 minus 1 is 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4, 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, 7 minus 5 is equal to 2, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Okay student, this di you got. Di means what you have to do, you have to subtract from assumed. Okay, what you have to do, you have to subtract this from assumed. Then in fi again you had written this question line, second one. Okay, fi. Then in fi di you will multiply this to 7 4s are 28, 18 2s are 36, 12 zeros are 0. In this way, total this, then deviation bar is equal to formula fi di upon fi. You have to divide these two, you will got your answer. After getting your answer, you have to find out when a formula has been added here, that is x bar. Okay, what is x bar student? A plus d bar. A means the assumed number, d bar means your answer. Okay, your answer you have to write here and you have to solve the sum like this. In step division method, student, I will show you here only, not wasting more time for making columns here. Okay, in which method, student? Step deviation method. How many columns you will make? You will make 6 columns. Okay, how many columns, students? 6 columns. It is called as HI. What it is called as, students? It is called as HI. Now how you will solve this HI? Anybody? Okay, I will show you how to solve this. Okay, this class you will write as it is, which is given in the question. Xi, that is class mark, you will write middle of this. You have to assume 1, you have to subtract it, you will got di. After getting di, what you will going to do? For finding hi, see, this is 0 to 2. Okay, so you have to count how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 2 to 4, 3, 4, 4 to 6, 5, 6. What is the difference, student? The difference is of 2. What is the difference of 2? So you have to divide your di from this number. What you have to divide? You have to divide your di from this number. What is your di? Minus 4. So minus 4 divided by 2, minus 2. Minus 2 divided by 2, minus 1. 0 divided by 2, 0. 2 divided by 2, 1. 4 divided by 2, 2. Okay, then what you have to do? You have to multiply this. 2 sevens are 14. 18 ones are 18. Your equation it is 12. 0 12s are 0. Okay, then same, divide it and you will got your answer. But in step deviation method, which formula you will use? You will not use this deviation formula there. What you will use? Wait, I will show you here. For finding out u bar. Okay, this is not h, this is actually called ui. Okay, h is the difference, means this 2 you got now, that 2 is your h, that is the height. So now formula is sigma. Here you will write fi ui. Okay, here also instead of di you will write fi ui. So your answer will be, the new formula that you will use is u bar is equal to a plus u bar into h. A, assume, what is your assume? 5. 5 plus u bar, your answer. The answer you will got by divide. You will write your answer, multiply by height. What is the difference you will got, student? 2 was your difference. Okay, so this will be 2. Then you have to minus it in your own way. Then you will got your answer. In this way you have to solve direct method, assuming method and step deviation method.